if one does not come in the disciplic succession, he will spoil the teaching that is being done. So-called commentator, teacher of Bhagavad Gita, he does not come in the disciplic succession. He is self-made Guru. Therefore, he is not Guru. A self-made Guru cannot be Guru. He must be authorized by the bona fide Guru, then he is Guru. This is the fact. Yeah. Nobody can be self-made anything. A medical practitioner, he cannot become self-made. That I have studied all the medical books in my home. No. Have you ever gone to the medical college and taken instruction from the bona fide teachers? Then, if you have got the certificate, then you are medical practitioner. Similarly, bona fide Guru means he must be authorized by the superior Guru. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Amar Agga Guru Haiya Taro Eide. He must receive the order from the superior. And the superior must be bona fide. Then he is bona fide. Not self-made. Tasmad Gurum Prapaddeta Jigyasu Sreya Uttamam. The direction is that one must go to a Guru. But who is Guru? Saddepa Pareta Nisnatam Brahmani Upasamasayam. These are the descriptions. So to find out a bona fide Guru is not difficult, provided one is bona fide to search out a Guru. That's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Guru Krishna Kripaya Paya Bhakti Latadi. By the mercy of Guru and Krishna. By the mercy of Krishna, one gets a bona fide Guru. And by the mercy of bona fide Guru, one gets Krishna. This is the process. When I am actually serious to have connection with Krishna, the Krishna is sitting in everyone's heart. Ishvara sarvabhutanam riddesha arjuna tishthati. So Krishna can understand. We cannot hide anything from Krishna. That is not possible. Because Krishna is sitting side by side, just like two birds sitting side by side. One bird is eating the fruit of the tree, another bird is the witness. That is the Vedic version. So, as soon as I become serious to know about Krishna, Krishna can understand. Now my friend is very serious. So he will find out a bona fide Guru for him. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that Guru Krishna Kripaya Paya Bhakti Latari. By the double mercy. Krishna's mercy and Guru's mercy. If one is serious, Krishna is satisfied, now he is serious about finding out, about knowing me, then Krishna gives the direction that here is Guru, my representative. You take shelter of him and you will get me. This is the way. That is expressed in this. That is by the grace of Krishna, that it is a fortunate person. Fortunate person means he must be sincere, serious to know about Krishna. That is first. If we simply carry the message of Krishna as it is, we become perfect. It is not very difficult. If I simply carry the message of Krishna, where is the difficulty? Everything is there. Krishna has said everything. Krishna says, Manmana bhava badmakta madhyadi mang namaskaru. We carry this message. Just always think of Krishna. Always offer obeisances to Krishna. Become a devotee of Krishna. Manvana, think of Krishna always. We have to carry this message. Where is the difficulty? So, to become a bona fide spiritual master, there is no difficulty. Simply, if we carry the message of Krishna as it is without any adulteration. So we must find out a person who is actually bona fide spiritual master by this test that he is not, adulterating Krishna's message. He is not playing foul with the message of Krishna in order to introduce himself, his person. He is simply presenting the message of Krishna as it is. Then he is spiritual master, nobody else. Thank you very much.